Greetings! While debugging an ASP.NET application, an error occurred, indicating that the project is missing the Entity Framework reference needed for the DbContext class. These are the IntelliSense code suggestions. Clean and rebuild your solution. Close Visual Studio and delete files from the bin, vs, obj, and packages folders. Relaunch the Visual Studio and rebuild the solution. In the Solution Explorer, unload your project. Then, reload the project again. Reloading the project with dependencies will be more effective. Right-click the project and select Manage NuGet Packages. Under the Installed tab, verify the version. Check the Update tab for available updates. Choose between EntityFramework and EntityFramework Core for your project, then uninstall the one you won't be using. Verify the correct using directives in the affected class. Ensure the context class has the correct inheritance. In the web config file, find the runtime section. Then, in the assembly bindings, locate EntityFramework's entry. Ensure the public key token, old version, and new version match the project's version. In the Solution Explorer, expand References. Right-click on Entity Framework and select Properties. Verify the correct version and path. Reinstall the reference if required. You can also restore NuGet packages for missing references. Go to the Tools and select Options. From the left, expand NuGet Package Manager. Select General, then click Clear All NuGet Storage.